Hey everyone, welcome to Mind Your English. I'm Vincent.
And I'm Kathy. Today, some versus any. Two tiny words that confuse so many English learners.
Do I say some water or any water? Some questions or any questions? We're going to clear up all the confusion today.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use some, when to use any, and you'll never mix them up again. Let's go.
Let's start with some. When do we use it?
Use some in positive statements when you're saying something is there or does exist.
Perfect. Let me give you 10 clear examples. 1. I have some money in my wallet. 2. She bought some groceries at the store. 3. We need some time to think about it. 4. He has some friends in New York. 5. They made some mistakes on the test. 6. There's some coffee left in the pot. 7. I need some help with this project. 8. She gave me some good advice. 9. We saw some beautiful birds in the park. 10. He told me some interesting stories.
See the pattern? All of these are positive statements. You're saying something exists. You have something. There is something.
Now, here's something important. We also use some in questions, but only when we're offering something or requesting something.
Right. Here are examples of offers. Would you like some coffee? Can I get you some water? Would you like some help? Do you want some cake?
And here are examples of requests. Could I have some water, please? Can I borrow some money? May I ask you some questions? Could you give me some advice?
Notice that in these questions, you expect the answer to be yes. That's why we use some.
Another way to think about it, some means an indefinite amount. We don't know exactly how much, but it's some amount, not zero.
Now let's talk about any. When do we use it?
Use any in two main situations, negative statements and most questions.
Let's start with negative statements, when you're saying something is not there or does not exist. 1. I don't have any money in my wallet. 2. She didn't buy any groceries at the store. 3. We don't need any help right now. 4. He doesn't have any friends in New York. 5. They didn't make any mistakes on the test. 6. There isn't any coffee left in the pot. 7. I don't need any assistance, thanks. 8. She didn't give me any advice. 9. We didn't see any birds in the park. 10. He didn't tell me any stories.
All of these are negative. You're saying something does not exist. You don't have something. There isn't something.
Now let's look at questions with any. We use any in most general questions. Do you have any questions? Is there any coffee left? Did you see any good movies? Are there any problems? Do you know any good restaurants?
Notice that in these questions, you don't know if the answer will be yes or no. You're just asking generally. That's why we use any.
There's also another meaning of any. It can mean it doesn't matter which one. Any restaurant is fine with me, meaning I don't care which one. You can choose any color you like, meaning whichever you prefer. Come visit me anytime, meaning whenever you want.
Okay, let's make this really simple. Here are the basic rules.
Rule 1. Positive statements use some. I have some milk. She bought some flowers. We need some time.
Rule 2. Negative statements use any. I don't have any milk. She didn't buy any flowers. We don't need any time.
Rule 3. General questions use any. Do you have any milk? Did she buy any flowers? Do we need any time?
Rule 4. Offers and requests use some. Would you like some milk? Offer. Can I have some milk? Request.
Here's a memory trick. Some sounds positive, some like something. Any sounds like not any, negative or questioning.
Let's compare directly. Positive, I have some friends. This means you do have friends. Negative, I don't have any friends. This means you don't have friends. Question, do you have any friends? This is just asking generally.
Let's try more examples to see the pattern. Positive, there's some food in the fridge. Negative, there isn't any food in the fridge. Question, is there any food in the fridge?
Positive, I need some help with this. Negative, I don't need any help with this. Question, do you need any help with this?
See how it works? The sentence structure stays the same, but we change some to any based on whether it's positive, negative, or a question.
Now let's look at those tricky offer and request questions. Offer, would you like some tea? Use some because you're offering. General question, do you like any tea? Use any because you're asking generally if they like tea at all.
See the difference? Here's another pair. Request, can I have some information? Use some because you're requesting. General question, do you have any information? Use any because you're just asking if information exists.
Let's look at the most common mistakes. I'll say the wrong sentence, Vincent will explain, then I'll correct it. Ready? Mistake 1. I don't have some money.
Wrong, because this is a negative statement. Use any in negatives.
I don't have any money. Mistake 2. Do you want any coffee?
This sounds okay, but when offering, we usually use some. Do you want some coffee, or would you like some coffee?
Mistake 3. Is there some milk in the fridge?
This is a general question, so we should use any.
Is there any milk in the fridge? Mistake 4. I have any friends in Tokyo.
Wrong, because this is a positive statement. Use some in positives.
I have some friends in Tokyo. Mistake 5. She didn't make any mistakes.
Wrong, because this is negative. Use any in negatives.
She didn't make any mistakes. Mistake 6. Could I have any water, please?
When requesting, use some, not any.
Could I have some water, please? Mistake 7. There aren't any good restaurants here.
This is negative, so use any.
There aren't any good restaurants here. Here's a tricky one that confuses people. I want to buy some bread. Do you have some?
The second sentence is a question, and it's a general question, not a request. So, I want to buy some bread. Do you have any?
Another tricky pair. If you have some questions, please ask.
After if, we usually use any because it's conditional. You don't know if they have questions or not. If you have any questions, please ask.
Now let's look at some advanced usage that will make you sound really natural.
Special case 1. Some can mean approximately with numbers. Some 50 people came to the party. Some 20 minutes she waited.
Special case 2. Any can mean even the smallest amount. I don't have any time at all. There isn't any chance of that happening.
Special case 3. Some in negative contexts for emphasis. I haven't seen him in some time. That was some party.
Special case 4. Any in positive statements, meaning it doesn't matter which one. Any doctor can help you with that. You can sit in any seat. Choose any book you like.
In compound words, somebody or someone, somebody called you. Positive. Anybody or anyone, I don't know anybody here. Negative. Does anybody know? Question. Something, I bought something for you. Positive. Anything, I didn't buy anything. Negative. Did you buy anything? Question. Somewhere, let's go somewhere nice. Positive. Anywhere, I don't want to go anywhere. Negative. Can we go anywhere? Question.
All right, let's nail this with real-world practice. I'll be person A, Kathy will be person B. Conversation 1. At the grocery store. Excuse me, do you have any organic apples?
Yes, we have some over here. Would you like some help carrying them?
That's okay, I don't need any help. But do you have any bags?
Sure, here are some bags for you.
Conversation 2. At work.
Do you have any time this afternoon? I need some advice.
Sorry, I don't have any time until 3 p.m., but I have some time then if that works.
Perfect. I have some questions about the project.
Great. Bring any documents you want to discuss. Conversation 3. Making plans. Want to see a movie? Do you have any preferences?
I don't have any specific movies in mind. Any comedy is fine with me.
Would you like some popcorn at the theater?
Yes, and can I have some of your soda too?
All right, let's review the key rules.
Some is for positive statements and when offering or requesting in questions.
Any is for negative statements and general questions.
Memory trick, if it's positive, some. If it's negative or a general question, any.
Special case, offers and requests in questions use some because you expect yes.
Your challenge this week, write 5 sentences using some and 5 sentences using any from your daily life. Share them in the comments and we'll correct them if needed.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Soon you won't even think about it. Your brain will just know.
Thanks for watching Mind Your English. Subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mind Your English channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode.